Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play tabletop air hockey, easy method. Start by placing the tabletop on a level surface and plugging in the blower for a steady cushion of air. Check that the puck floats smoothly and that your mallets are clean. Set up clear goals on each end, adjust bumpers if needed, and test a short pass to confirm even airflow and puck control before you begin a full game. Learn a few basic shots that make a big difference in tabletop air hockey. Practice short, controlled taps to keep the puck moving evenly and avoid wild swings that lose control. When you strike, aim using the mallet face and follow through for better accuracy. Add gentle bank shots off the sides to change angle and keep your opponent guessing while you conserve energy and control. Defense matters as much as offense in tabletop air hockey, so stay relaxed but ready. Keep your mallet near the center of your goal to intercept direct shots and reduce reaction time. Read your opponent's posture and paddle alignment to anticipate their aim. Use soft blocking taps to slow the puck instead of clearing it wildly, which reduces rebound risks and gives you a chance to counterattack with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.